Hello children, welcome to your computer class. I am Swapna here to teach you your first lesson, that is computer, a smart machine. The agenda for today's class is recap, introduction, explanation and summary. In recap, we are going to revise once again what you have learned in grade 1 or previous class of grade 1. Now, you might have all known about natural things. Yes, children, what are natural things? Natural things are outcome of natural process. They already exist in nature. Okay? No one has made it. They exist in nature. So, examples for them, I have drawn some pictures about natural things. They are trees and plants. Here are some of other examples like mountains, sun, water, birds, animals. This is a picture of sun and this is the picture of sky having a moon and stars. So these all things, they exist naturally. No one has made it, so they are outcome of natural process. Now, next thing is man-made things. What are man-made things, children? Things which are made by humans. Okay? The things around you which you use, which are there in your house and in your school and other things which you see around you, they all come under man-made things. Things like houses, vehicles, things like pencil. See, I'm going to show you pencils, eraser, the scale, sharpener, the many things which you use in your class around you, like chairs, tables, which the teacher uses, the boards and all. They are made by humans. That is why they are called as man-made things. Okay, children? This was about recap, and now we are going to introduction and explanation. In this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to these topics. They are machine, electronic machines, computer, why a computer is called as smart machine, comparison between humans and computers, and IPO cycle. So, these are the topics which are being introduced in this lesson to you, and we are going to learn about these topics. Now, coming to the explanation part, what is a machine, we will learn now. Machine is nothing but a man-made thing which makes our work easy and fast. Okay? Machine is a thing which is developed by a human, which are made by humans, which make our work easy. Now, examples of some machines I have drawn. See, this is a ceiling fan. Okay, now this is a washing machine which your mother uses. This is a television, okay, which we all have in our houses. This is a picture of car which we use. These are the things which help you, which help your mother and which help you to do some job, isn't it? That is why machine is a device or a thing that makes our work easy and fast. Okay? Now, next we will learn about electronic machines. What are electronic machines, children? Machines which take the help of electricity. Okay? Which take the help of electricity or which run with the help of electric power. They are called as electronic machines. Okay, children? Some of the examples for those type of machines are television, okay, which uses electricity. Now, washing machine, a ceiling fan, okay. These are some of the examples which help us use electricity and run, isn't it, children? And now, Computer is also one of such examples. Okay, computer also uses electricity to run, but computer helps us to do so many things. They are A computer helps us to play games, watch movies, send messages, solve sums, listen to music, type and print letters, drawing pictures, and solving sums. Okay, so computer can do so many things and help us in doing so many things. So that is why computer is called as a smart machine. Okay, the word computer comes from the word compute. Okay, why is computer given a name computer? Because it helps us to calculate. Mostly computers are used to calculate. That is why it is given the name computer, which comes from the word compute, and that means to calculate. So now do you understand, children, why computer is called as smart machine? Because it helps us to play games, it helps us to watch movies, it helps us to send messages, it helps us to type and print things, it helps us to draw pictures, it helps us to solve sums. So computer helps us in doing many things which other machines cannot. Okay, children, that is why computer is called as a smart machine. Can you tell any name of other machine which helps us to do so many things at a time? No, only a computer does so many things at a time. That's why it is called as a smart machine. A computer is called as a smart machine because it helps us to do multitasking. It works non-stop with more efficiency to do some assigned work. Okay, it does not make mistakes. Okay, that is why computer is called as a smart machine. Now, coming to comparison between humans and computers. Okay, now we'll compare humans and computers. Okay, what humans can do and what computers can do, now we will learn. Now, firstly we will learn what humans cannot do, okay, like a computer. Humans cannot work very fast and accurately, okay, whereas a computer can work very fast and accurate. Humans cannot remember for long time, whereas computer can remember many things till you delete that information from the computer. That is why computer can remember for long period. Okay, now computers cannot think on their own and act on their own. Okay, computer does not have a brain like humans. That is why they cannot think on their own. They depend on humans to give information and data. The computer cannot work till we command it to do some work, or till we give the information or data or the command to work. Okay, now humans feel sad, humans feel angry, humans feel happy, whereas computer does not have any feelings. Okay, it cannot laugh, it cannot feel sad, it cannot feel happy. That is why it doesn't have feelings like humans. Now humans can think on their own and act on their own and have feelings, whereas computers have sharp memory and does not get tired and works on the commands given by the humans. Humans instruct computers, okay? The computers cannot work without the instructions of humans. Computers have very good memory. They never forget the information stored in them. But humans can forget the information stored in their memories. Computers never get bored of doing the same thing again and again. Yes, if you ask the computer to do the same thing again and again, it will do the same thing 100 times or 200 times. It doesn't get bored, whereas humans get bored to do the same thing again and again. Now computer never gets tired, whereas humans get tired. Okay. So these are the differences between humans and computers. Okay children. Now coming to IPO cycle. Every machine works on the basis of this cycle, that is IPO. The full form of I is input, P is process and O is output. So based on this three-step process, IPO. So what is this? A three-step process based on which a computer or any other machine works. Okay. So what is the full form of I? Here is input, P is process and O is output. So input are for a computer, the input is the instructions or the data or the information given to the computer through the input devices, and process is the work which the computer does using that information, and output is the result which we obtain from the output devices of the computer. So for a computer, IPO process is very important, and for any likewise a computer, any other machine works on the same process, that is three-step process, that is IPO cycle. Now coming to the summary. Now what we have learned in this lesson is what our summary will be. Now what we have learned in this lesson today, children, in this class, we have learned that machine is a man-made device which makes our work easy and fast. Electronic machines are the machines which run with the help of electricity. There are many examples which I have told you. Try to find out which machine, which is the machine which doesn't use electricity to work. Okay, I will give you one of the example, that is sewing machine. Okay, sewing machine is the machine which does not use electricity to work, so it comes under different category of machines. It does not come under electronic machines. So most of the machines which we use at home and our school come under electronic machines. Now computer is one of the important example of electronic machines. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. And then we have learned why computer is called as smart machine. Why do you think computer is called as a smart machine, children? Can you think of any other machine which can do so many tasks like a computer does? Yes, computer helps us to play games, watch movies, send messages, solve sums, pictures, etc. But other machines cannot. That is why compared to other machines, computer is called as a smart machine. Now we have compared humans and computers. In some cases humans are good, and in some cases computers are good. Humans, they don't Humans can act on their own and have feelings and can understand differences between good things and bad things, whereas computer doesn't understand, doesn't act on its own, it does not have feelings. Now computer has a sharp memory and does not get tired and work for long hours, but humans don't have sharp memory. They tend to forget things. Okay. Now computer must run on the commands given by the humans. Now coming to IPO cycle. IPO cycle is an important three-step process which each and every machine follows and is also followed by the computer. Okay, this is about today's class, children. Now I think you have understood. For today, based on this class, go through page number 7, 8 and 9. Read the pages given from the textbook. Okay, what I have told you, page number 7 and 8 and 9 from the textbook. Read those pages and tag the new words which you don't understand, and take the help of your parents to understand. Thank you. This is for today's class. Bye, children.